Hey y'all, Jazz is lockpicking here. It's Sunday evening, and I guess I ought to get a lock up for Stock Lock Sunday. And I figure I'd try one of these locks that I got yesterday out of my eBay package. I guess we'll just try this one that says Swift, which is actually a Hurd. And give it a go. Here's your keyway. And we'll use the usual top of the keyway. And I believe it's 40 thousandths on this one. Yep, that'll do it. Click on 1. Click on 2. 3 springy. Click on 4. Click on 5. Back to beginning. Click on 1. 2 springy. 3 is binding. Nope. 3 was not binding. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's reset. I think I overset something. So 1. 2. 4. 1. 'And there we go. Well, that was quick. Let's try another one. Let's try this little Hurd. I don't have a key for this one, so same keyway. And this barrel short hook, 25 thousandths. Small click on 1, 2, 3, 4. And back to 2. Reset again. game's trying to fight me. Well, this little thing's embarrassing me. Yeah, I was going the wrong way. Huh, I was going the wrong way. How about that? Had no idea because I didn't have a key. Interesting. Very, very cool. Nice little lock. Oh, how many minutes are we here? 7 minutes? I think we can squeeze the last herd in here. Let's give it a go. Real quick. Just for the heck of it. I'm going to try to go counterclockwise. Clockwise. Let's learn how to talk, Chaz. On this one as well. There's 3, little false set. Apparently this one does go counter as well. And there we go. How about that? 3 herds. One that goes clockwise, and 2 little guys that want to fool you and go counterclockwise. Either way, interesting locks, and I'm glad I got these. Y'all have a nice rest of your Sunday.